How to make chocolate-flavored marzipan Easter eggs. Welcome back to Abby's Plate. You probably already know that here in Mumbai, Easter eggs are not hard-boiled colored eggs and not simple chocolate eggs, but are made of marzipan. If you're looking for the video on how to make marzipan Easter eggs, the link is in the description below. Today's video is about making marzipan Easter eggs with the flavor of chocolate. It's not that different from making marzipan eggs. So let's get right into it. Ingredients for chocolate-flavored marzipan Easter eggs. To make these fantastic Easter eggs, you'll need powdered sugar, cashew nuts or almonds, egg whites, almond essence, cocoa powder, food colors, and rose water. How to make chocolate Easter eggs with marzipan. Grind the cashew nuts fine in a mixer grinder. Add everything to a pot including the almond essence and cocoa powder and allow to rest for a bit. Simmer over a low flame till the mixture leaves the sides. Make sure you stir continuously so it doesn't stick to the bottom or burn. After half an hour, take a bit of the marzipan in a teaspoon and let it cool for 30 seconds. Then try to form it into a tiny ball. If it forms a ball, turn off the stove. If it sticks to your fingers, it needs more time on the stove. After that's done, pour the mixture onto a flat board, and knead well till a smooth ball is formed. Divide the ball into parts for other family members to work with. Sprinkle the molds with powdered sugar and form the eggs, bunnies, bonnets, and more. You can decorate them with royal icing and leave them to set. The full recipe and instructions are in this link. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.